And I'm recording. Here we go. All right. Now, I know that I've been doing a lot of repeats for you of stuff that you've learned before, or at least you've been exposed to before, but that's kind of what math is. It's a lot of like trying things the first time and then getting harder and understanding it better the second time. Raise your hand if you feel like you've learned something in my class that you did learn before, but now you understand it better. Okay, just a few of us, some of us. All right, can anybody remember how to do this? Absolute value of y plus 2 equals 4. Before I teach you, is there anybody who remembers how to solve an absolute value problem? Yes, go ahead.
Oh.
Yeah.
Don't you just can't you just take it out of the absolute value?
And just make it y plus 2 equals 4?
Yeah.
I mean, that's part of the answer. Thomas?
You kind of treat it like a parentheses. You do what's inside of it first, and then you make it positive.
If you get one term in
No. No, I see what you're saying, but I mean, I'm saying like, how do you solve it, not how would you simplify? I think you're talking about simplifying. Yep.
So since it's in the absolute value, there's two answers.
Yes, there's two answers.
So you do one side that's -2, but then the other side would be +2.
No, good. So close.
Yeah.
So close. It's not -2 and +2. You're not changing the stuff inside here. No. Cool?
Would you just make the 4 over there negative, like -4, and then take away the absolute value?
Yes, that's how you do the second half. So if I combine your answer with Peyton's answer, then we have a full answer. So these types of problems, you're going to split it into two equations.
Oh, that's right.
There's two different answers, two equations. One is going to be y plus 2 equals 4, which is what Peyton was talking about. But Alana was talking about Elena. Alana? Elena.
Or AJ.
Do you prefer AJ?
Sure.
What do you prefer?
I don't care.
Okay. Elena. Am I saying Amalia right though?
Yeah.
So it's Amalia and Elena. Okay. All right. So this is one problem, which is what Peyton said. And then what Elena was saying was she was saying that you should change the +2, but you don't. You'll change the thing on the other side. Because the inside could be positive or negative. So we're actually going to change the 4 to a -4. Notice that the 2 doesn't change. It stays exactly the same. Also, it is not going to be the same number, positive and negative, as the answer. So it's not like you can just find one and then say, ooh, positive, negative. It's not the same thing. All right, how do I get rid of this +2? -2. Everybody write it down. So I get y equals 2. And over here, I'm also going to -2, so it's y equals -6. Notice that it is sometimes it is the same number on both sides. One's positive, one's negative, but not always. Okay, it's coming back to you now? Sweet. I feel like we should be winning some prizes, yeah?
Maybe.
All right, let's win some prizes real quick. Everybody write this down. Absolute value of, let's do 2x minus 4 absolute value equals 8. Talk to your partner. Everybody needs to talk. Sydney, where's your partner? Justin. Your partner's Sydney. For this one problem. I don't think he was.
For the first one, I just wrote down 2x minus 4 equals 8. And then for the second one, I did 2x minus 4 equals 10. And then just solve it.
Tomorrow got changed though. I don't get I got attention.
Alright, so negative x is greater than negative 2 but less than negative 6. Is this saying similar to that?
Yes. What'd you get? Sydney? Yeah, you can go talk to Anderson. Nice job, Sydney.
Didn't remember before.
Correct answer for this is x equals 6 and x equals negative 2. If you're getting stuck right now, call me over. And then check in with your partner and decide if you guys want to come up here for a prize. That makes more winter signs. Yes, ma'am? Oh, okay, sure. Okay, also, it's random, so the calculator is just as likely to pick one thing as the other.
I think it's always the middle.
Well, you know what's going to happen? Here's what's going to happen, Damien.
That's gonna pick the.
If I start in the middle, then we're going to end up with either 1 or the last number is picked, and then you're going to be like, of course, it's me. It's all with me. Can't be me.
I feel like it's always numbers like.
Do you know how many theories I've heard about how this graphing calculator? And do you guys remember do you remember at the beginning of the year when I told you that I have to use a graphing calculator to pick who gets to come up here, and none of you believed me? Yeah. That's because you guys get all upset about it.
Yeah, you're not gonna want to do that.
Okay. Here we go. I'm a winner signs. I've got fortune cards. I've got animals. Hands up. One hand per group. All right, in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One didn't. But I'm very proud of that number. Number 7.
Told ya.
Yes, Adrian.
Told ya.
The next option was number 1.
Number 1.
Who's next?
It's either anything though, 7 or lower, or the top 2 numbers.
Oh my God.
7, 1, 8. Yeah, ours was way up. What was ours? Where's number 6?
I got 7, 1, 6, 8, and then 11, and then 10.
Are you gonna write it all at once or just step by step?
All right, here we go. Talk loudly enough that the computer can pick you up. Nobody else is talking. Here we go.
Okay, so first, since it's absolute value, you split the problem in 2, and 1 stays the normal equation, and then the one on the right, you turn the 8 negative, and then draw the lines, and then you do +4 on each side, which gives you 2x equals 12, and then you divide that by 2, and you get x equals 6, and then on the other side, you add 4 to each side, and you'll get 2x equals -4, and then you divide by 2 on each side, and you get x equals -2.
Nice job. Well done. Grab a prize. Very, very impressive. Yes, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay. Wait. So, you realize this is all fake.
No, it's not.
I'm not right here.
It is very real.
Nope.
It is very real.
It's kind of being true. It's kind of, it was true on mine.
Yep. What does it say? The moon, number 33. All right. Here is your fortune, Haley. This is the card of intuition and dreams. The answers are deep within yourself on this issue. Do not be afraid of what bubbles up. This can mean a time of self-reflection or having a life-changing idea. You get to keep that.
Inside.
I do?
Enjoy your life-changing idea.
Mars?
She's posing to Haley
All right.
I didn't propose!
Wait, can he legally do that yet?
No.
She's 14.
Okay, guys, stop grossing me out.
One more year.
Stop grossing me out.
Why?
All right. Now, I need to talk to you guys about this, and I do not want, if anybody shouts out, I'm going to be very angry. So please don't. Okay? Stop doing the problem. Because this problem, don't shout out. Do not shout out. Don't shout out. This problem, the answer is no solution. And it's not like you have to do the problem to know this. You should just look at the problem and know that this is no solution. And if anyone can tell me why, if you don't even have to do this problem, you would just look at it and know it's no solution.